Hello and welcome to Alley Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an event to your Outlook calendar. So first you want to go on to Outlook. Once you're there, you want to go down to the bottom left corner and you're going to click the calendar icon. Once you do this, it'll take you to your Outlook calendar. On here, this is where you can add events throughout the school year. If you have a math test, if you have a study session, if you need to remember that you have to go to this class at this time, if any type of reminder or event you have throughout the day, if you have pep rally type sort of setup. So first up here in the top left corner, you want to click New Event. Once you do this, it'll pop up and you will have to edit all the information for that event. So you're going to add a title, the attendees, whoever you put into or add on to this reminder will also put it on their calendar, so it works as a dual reminder for you and the other person. You'll put a date, time frame, how long it's going to last. You can make it an all-day event. You can add a repeat, so you can have it happen, this event appear in your calendar daily, weekly, monthly, every year, anything, however many times this event occurs. Then you're going to search for room or location. So when you add a room or location, such as if you had to take, this was a math test reminder for that event, you could put on there the room number of where you're taking it or location like Mrs. Smith's room or something and that such. You can also add a reminder, so you can have your calendar remind you however minutes or days, weeks before this event happens, just so you have a standing of to know when this event is going to happen ahead of time. And then lastly at the bottom, you can just add a description. You can attach documents. If this was a math test reminder, you could attach a study guide just so it's there, so you can just click on it, go away and look at your documents and just study from there. Either way works for you. That's how you can set up your calendar. Otherwise, once you have it all filled out, you're going to click up here at the top. You're going to click the Save button. This will automatically add it to your calendar. When it does, then that means you're all set, and the moment it's on there, you'll get a reminder for whatever reminder you set it for, and now it's a part of your daily schedule. So thank you for watching, and check out my other videos for other tips and tricks throughout the school year.